Forget everything you think you know about growing on YouTube because the old rules are dead, man. Seriously, subscribers don't automatically equal views anymore. And I'll lay out exactly why hitting start today and making content today is the only move that makes sense. So let's be real. Almost everyone thinks it's too late. You look at the millions of channels out there and you see all the super polished creators, and it feels like that ship has sailed. And you're probably telling yourself, man, it's just too saturated, or I missed my chance. But what if that's not just wrong? What if it's the one thing holding you back from a massive opportunity? A huge wave of change is sweeping through YouTube right now, and it's about to create a whole new generation of winners, man. The people who get started right now are the ones who are going to be riding that wave into 2026 and beyond. And while everyone else is stuck on shore wondering, wow, man, what just happened? So first, let's talk about money, because the way creators are earning is completely changing. The creator economy, it is exploding. According to Goldman Sachs, it's projected to nearly double from 250 billion to almost 480 billion by 2027. So starting your channel now means you're building a brand and an audience that is perfect as this massive wave of cash is cresting. But this isn't about getting rich off of AdSense. In fact, ad revenue is becoming a smaller and smaller piece of the puzzle. The real money is in building a diversified business. Brands are tired of one-off shout outs. They're looking for long-term partners who have real, authentic connection with their audience. And that's something that takes some time to build. And by starting now, you're developing that trust before this space gets even more competitive. And on top of that, things like digital courses, private memberships, and exclusive content are becoming the main income source for creators, not just a side hustle. If you set up a channel now, you have the time to figure out what works for your community, build a solid financial foundation that will be ready for 2026. Okay, now for the thing that scares everyone off, the algorithm. But here's the secret, man. It's actually creating a huge opening for smaller creators. The algorithm of today and tomorrow cares about one thing more than anything else: viewer satisfaction. It's not just about clicks. It's about whether your video genuinely satisfied someone and kept them watching. And this is where having both this is where having both long form videos and YouTube shorts is no longer optional. You're going to need both of them. Think of it this way. Shorts are your handshake. It's the quick hello that introduces you to thousands of people. And your long form videos are where you sit down and have a real conversation, building the deep connection and the community that actually makes you money. And creators who figure this out, how to use shorts to pull viewers into their longer, deeper content, are going to have an insane advantage. And the algorithm is only getting smarter. It uses AI to analyze your videos, your style, your substance, and it wants to find the perfect audience for it. This means being super specific with your niche, and that's more important than ever. So making content that solves a very specific problem for a small, passionate group is your fast track to getting the algorithm on your side. So why is starting right now so important? Well, because everything that will make you a winner in 2026 is going to take some time. First, you're gathering data, man. You need a library of content so the algorithm can learn who your audience is. And by starting now, you're giving it a head start. You're training it to find your perfect viewers, while others are still on the sidelines thinking, well, I'll get started, around New Year's, or it'll be one of my resolutions. Well, second, you have time to learn and get messy. The creators who succeed in 2026 will have already figured out what content works, which AI tools save them time, and what monetization methods best fit their niche. And that's a learning curve you want to get ahead of, and not be crushed by it. Maybe most importantly, you're building a community, an engaged community, and that is the ultimate cheat code. It's what brands pay for. It's what fuels different income streams, and it's what sends all the right signals to the algorithm, man, you can't build that kind of trust overnight. It comes from being consistent and providing real value day in and day out. So this window of opportunity is wide open right now, but it won't be for very long, man. Anyone waiting for the perfect time is going to be 2 years behind the curve. So if this lit a fire under your ass and you're ready to stop thinking and start doing, then hit that subscribe button. You know, I'm all about sharing the strategies you need to navigate this new era of YouTube and how to actually win. And drop a comment below with the niche that you're thinking about. I read and reply to every single one. I'd love to hear what you're into. So believing it's too late to start on YouTube is the single biggest mistake you can make right now. The entire platform is shifting in a way that levels the playing field for new creators who are smart and adaptable. And the future of YouTube belongs to those who build real communities, master the blend of short form and long form content, and build a real business from day one. And when you start today, you're not just launching a channel, you're building a brand that's perfectly timed to ride the next big wave. And that next big wave is coming in 2026. And the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. And the second best time is now. That's it for me today. Go out and do something great today. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go do something extraordinary for yourself and for someone else. I'll catch you. I'm out.